Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In today's digital age, web designing has become an indispensable skill for generating income online. With businesses of all sizes looking to establish their online presence, web designers are in high demand. Simply put, mastering web design opens the door to a plethora of lucrative opportunities. To embark on this journey, start by honing your design skills. Familiarize yourself with essential tools and software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and web development platforms such as WordPress and Wix. Online courses, tutorials, and design communities provide ample resources to elevate your skills from beginner to professional. Developing a strong portfolio showcasing your best work is crucial, as it serves as a visual testament to your expertise. Next, establish your personal brand. Create a visually appealing website that reflects your design prowess while showcasing your portfolio. Highlight your unique approach to design and share testimonials from satisfied clients. Actively engage in social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visual appeal reigns. By showcasing your designs in these spaces, you can attract prospective clients and build a following. Once you've built a solid foundation, explore different monetization strategies. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr allow you to connect with clients seeking web design services. Set competitive rates while ensuring they reflect your skills and experience. Alternatively, consider offering web design courses or selling templates for websites to generate passive income. Collaboration is another effective way to expand your reach. Partner with local businesses, marketing agencies, or other freelancers to create joint projects or design packages. Networking within design forums and attending industry conferences can also lead to valuable connections, opening doors to collaborative opportunities. Keep up with the ever-evolving trends in web design. Stay informed about the latest visual styles, user experience techniques, and coding languages. Regularly updating your skills positions you as an industry expert and increases your appeal to clients. In conclusion, making money online through web design is not just a dream. With dedication to mastering the craft and a strategic approach to branding and networking, you can unlock your earning potential in this vibrant field. Start today and watch your creativity translate into a thriving online career.